Hi, today we are going to start a website and this video is particularly for a header. So we are going to create a header which somewhat looks like this. Let me show it to you. With a brand name, navigation links, a button with hover effects and a beautiful navigation header background. To get this background I use pixabay.com. Actually, this website provides thousands of high resolution pictures without any copyright issues. So, if you want any picture, then you can head over to Pixabay. Now, it's time to create a beautiful header. To save your time, I have created all the files before getting started. So, this is the CSS folder which is going to hold all our CSS files. And this is the images folder which is going to hold all our images files. So, now I will head over to Atom. You will use any other text editors like Sublime Text 3 or Atom, but I prefer using Atom. So let's get started. So this is my Atom, and this is CSS folder, and this is images folder, and this open file is the index.html. So we will create an index. So we will create an HTML boilerplate. This is somewhat like a tradition of creating every time HTML boilerplates, but what can we do? We have to create. So our topic is born of Physical Academy. So we will give it a title of Physical Academy. After giving Physical Academy title, we will link our style sheet. So we will use the link tag and css/master.css. So actually this CSS is the root folder. We have to cut off this one. Well, actually this link is pasted. This must be under the add section. Cut it here, paste it here. So in the body section, we are going to start with an unordered list. In this unordered list, we are going to create li tags, about 4 li tags, because 3 we are going to use as navigation links and 1 we are going to use as a brand name. So now after we have created the 4 li links, so first of all we will separate our first li from other li and we will give it a class of brand name. We will give it a class of brand name, and then we will type over here Physical Academy. So to make a difference between this Physical and Academy, we will use here a span tag. We will put this Physical Academy and Academy again in a span tag. By doing this, we can style both of them in a separate way. So for this span, we will give an ID. No, we will not give an ID. We will give a class of first letter. And the other span we will give an ID of here. This starts. So we give it a last second letter. So now we have separated both these physical and academic, so that we can style this physical differently and this academic differently. So before styling, we'll head over to other allies and we'll just create a structure for our HTML page. We'll name it home. So now we will put here hashtags so that it won't be directed to any other website or any other. So now to separate all these three navigation links from this our brand name, we need to specify another span tag, and this span tag will give a class of nav list. Then we'll just close this span tag here. So now hit save and let's check it out how it looks. So click next. So we got this brand name and all these three links, but it does not look so good. So we'll style this using style sheet. So let's head back again to the atom. Let's style it. So now we will open our master.css style sheet, and here first of all we will start with the body tag. Body tag get started and we'll give it a margin of 0 pixels. Oh, we don't need to define pixels if it is 0 or any other. Padding background image. For background image we will use URL, and between these two places we are going to enter the URL of our image. So let me show you. I have this image in my images folder, which is called sport, and this is a JPG file. So I will link this. So basically it is in images /sport.jpg. It's saved. Let's check it out and refresh it. It's actually not working. So this is actually not working. So I am going to remove all those CSS file out of that folder and put it in the root folder. Let's make sure that it works. Let me do this here, and let me remove this image. Paste it here. So now we have pasted this style sheet out and this image out. We'll try it again. Just cut off this part. Hit save. So this is now. We'll have to open another master.css, which is this page. And now we'll just turn this off, and from here. So now it's saved. Let's head over. Let's see. So background image is displayed, but it is being repeated again. So we'll head over to style sheet and insert some select background color. Oh, background repeat. After we hit background repeat, then hit save and that's it. Now it is not repeating. So now we need to style this brand name and our navigation. give it a margin 0, display online, margin back, we give it 30 pixels, margin top in 30 pixels. So let's hit save and let's check it out. After refreshing, yes, we got 30 pixels margin here and 30 pixels here. See, 30 pixels over here and 30 pixels over here. Now it seems really old with this font style. So we will add some new font style from Google Fonts. So let's head over to Google Fonts. Let me tell you the name of the font I am going to use. It's somewhat called Merinda. So to use this, I will use this bolder version. I will select this style and then I will head over to embed. I'll copy this link and I'll paste it here in the head section. So I have pasted this link in this head section. So it is good to comment like so that you may identify what you have done. So I will comment here style sheets. We can comment it by selecting it and hitting Control and / on Windows and Command / on Mac. And then I will comment again here, right? Google Fonts. So like this, Control / comment it. So now we'll move back to our, we'll hit save and move back to our master.css, and here we are going to specify the font family. So font family, and we'll head back again to the Google Fonts and use the CSS tools to specify families. And just copy this CSS code, paste it. We'll cut this font family to there. So it's Merinda. If Merinda is not this embedding is used, so to if you any of your customer don't have this font installed in his PC or at his laptop or tablet, any device, so you can just access this font from Google Font. But if there's any problem, he went offline suddenly, so it will display this cursive, any cursive writing which is installed on this device. Now hit save and let's check it out. We go to this book. So now we got the font which we were trying to get. So now after this, we'll style our first letter of our brand name. First letter will color of black, and a font size of about 4 REL. Hit save and then we'll style our second letter. Color, give it gray, font size is specified 1.5 REL. Font weight to both. Hit save and now let's check it out. So now it's look pretty good. It's a gray color and this physical right. Let's move back to letter. So now as we have styled our brand name, first letter and second letter, as you can see, we gave here classes brand name. This was the brand name in this LI, which was physical and academy. And this pen ID was first letter and this pen ID was second letter. So we specified this first letter, second letter IDs. So now what's left is to style these other three lists. And these are our new navigation things through which the user will navigate to our website. So as to do so, we will just head over to master CSS and target the nav list and put it right. After plotting right, hit save and let's check it. Oh, so they all plot towards the right. Head back to atom. After this, we'll style nav list anchor tag. So color black. Dot nav list. Okay, you specify some hover effects. Hover. So this color will be good. Color will be gray. Transition. Specify transition 5s. So now hit save and let's check this out. So when we refresh it, we can see when I hover over home, gallery and about, these hover effects are applied. So we'll head back to atom and we can see here that there is no margin towards the right border. Add some margin here. It will target the ally tag. Display line block. So hit save. Check this out. Does this work? Oh yeah, it works. See, now it looks pretty good. So now we'll head back to atom. So now as we have created this, we have styled all these navigation links and our brand name. So we are going to create a button which is similar to like this. Just join now. So as to do, we'll head back to our index.html and after this, unload tag. We'll hit enter, then we'll give a division. So this division will give a class of button. So we'll create a button under it. Button. So we'll type here join now. We'll give an exclamation mark. And we'll give it a class of btn join. After giving it class of button join, let's see what effect I applied to the website. So here we can see that button has appeared on our screen. Now let's style it. So to style this button, we will head back to the master.css or style sheet and use those classes which we defined in HTML index.html. So first of the class we will use button. So we will use here not button we will use button. If we leave it, we will just use button div class. This button div class we will specify with person. Create a background color of white. This is a div which we are styling actually, and next line we will give it a center. Let's check this. So we got a button in the center. So let's move back. We'll move to class. We define this class also in index.html. Height. Snippets. Black. White. Border radius. We will use border radius property 5%. Border style. It's saved and now let's check this out. Save. So now this button looks pretty good. Black background and white color text. So make little changes in it. So choose now our property. Button. Oh. Color. Black. And background color. Transition. We keep about 1 second. Now let's save it. Check this out. Refresh it. Wow, we got a pretty good hover effect. You can change this time of hovering by changing this time. 1 second is or 0.5 seconds or maybe 2 seconds. So now our text of the button looks really very small. So we will choose 1. And now we will define this join text with our index.html. So head over to our index.html and we will give it here a span tag. Span tag equal class join text. Close this span tag. After closing this span tag, we'll define this join text tag. Hit save and put output CSS. and we'll define the font size. Font size I'll prefer about 20. It's here and let's see how it looks. So the problem was here. So let's look again. We will just paste that link over here, right in this front of this join now. After pasting this, we'll hit save, and we have pasted this script code here to embed this icon into our website. We'll just move to our website and we'll just refresh and see. Now we have this cute little icon with our button. So we will continue working on this project. So till then, bye bye. See you.